Mario with us right now for a check of your forecast. It's one of those mornings you want to stay at home, be cozied up anyways.
Yeah, it's going to be hard to get out and about this morning just because of that temperature dropping into the 30s. We're at 37 degrees right now at Dallas Baptist University. Beautiful colors in our sky, though, as the sun slowly comes up. Sunrise happens around 7:30 these days. So the chilly mornings, those are here to stay. The sunny, pleasant afternoons, they'll be here through Saturday. In fact, on Saturday, I even think we'll see a little more cloud cover. A strong cold front is on the way for Sunday. It is going to bring in storms mainly to the east of DFW, followed by coldest air of the season and the coldest stretch of the season. That gets here on Monday, so make sure to prep. Right now, though, we make it to about 60 degrees in Fort Worth, 61 in Dallas, 59 for Denton, 58 in McKinney. We do have a very weak cold front that moves in tonight, but you won't see too much change in our temperature. That's why the temperature drops to a whole 60 degrees, 1 degree cooler tomorrow, 63 on Saturday with a little bit more cloud cover. And then on Sunday, when that front arrives, that high temperature of 60 likely happens early in the day, and then that front moves in, drops our temperatures pretty sharply with highs only in the 40s for next week. That cold air, it's still well up in northern Canada, but that cold air, sub-zero air, will eventually move towards the south. And as that happens, it's going to become a bit more mild. The highlighted areas, that's where temperatures will be below 32 degrees or below freezing. That is likely to happen as early as Monday morning. And as far as any rain goes, we're not looking at a lot, but that front that arrives does interact with warmer and more humid air. So come Sunday afternoon, we could start seeing a couple of showers into the Metroplex, maybe even, Sunday morning, maybe even some storms developing Sunday afternoon and evening to areas east of here. That is where the threat for severe weather looks to be highest as of now. We'll be watching this in the next few days in case we see this shifting. But as of now, it looks like the severe threat stays east of DFW. That's where we could see anywhere between a trace to maybe a tenth of an inch of rain. It won't be a lot for those that do see storms east of the I-35 corridor. What everyone will see is a drastic change in temperatures. We'll be in the 60s the next several days, but next week, morning lows in the 20s, likely will see some wind chills in the teens with highs only in the 40s. And it does look mostly dry next week as well. All right, let's go ahead and get another check of your roadway. Stacia, how's it going?
All right.